Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll and find general settings. So if you've got a foreign language applied, just localize the option with the gear icon and tap on it. Now, as you can see, we've got two sections. So just take a look at the second section and choose the first option, which is languages. Now let's tap on this first option, which is system languages. And here we've got let's say, applied languages added. So if you've got the language that you'd like to use right here, all you need to do is to tap on it, and your device will immediately apply it to the top of the list, and it will also apply it to the whole system. So it's quite easy if you've got your language here. If not, just tap on this plus icon, and now you will be transferred to this full list of available languages from which you can choose. So find your language and tap on it, and choose the region, just by tapping on it, of course. And your device will ask you whether you want to set the new language as a default one. So it is crucial to tap on this option on the right, which is change. Just tap on it. And as you can see, right now we've got our new language at the top, and the whole system will be displayed in this language. Let me quickly change to English. Just tap on it. And now if you'd like to remove the languages from this list, just tap on Edit in the right upper corner, mark the languages that you'd want to remove, and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.